Hey guys, this is Sandeep Sky, and in this video I'm going to show you my updated Hyprland setup from my previous video. So let's get started. So we have a simple setup now as well. So the first thing you will notice is that the way bar is now at the top, and this is the applications icon. So if we click on it, it opens the application list, and this is basically Rofi. And the first thing you notice is that previously it was an application list, now it is in application column view. So, and you can also search for applications by typing anything on your keyboard. So after that, the next item is the workspace switcher. As you can see, you can also scroll to switch between your desktops. And the thing updated in this update is that now you can scroll on this application icon to put your current application to next workspace. So as you can see, I just scroll down to put in workspace 2. Now if I scroll up, it will move back to workspace 1. So this is pretty handy. And the next item you'll see is that this is the application name, and you'll see it has now application icon next to it. So as you can see, it shows the application icon and then the application name. So if I click on this application, it will toggle maximize, and if I scroll while the application is maximized, it will switch between the application just like the alt tab behavior on Windows. So, and if I right click on this, it will close the current application. So that's it. And now we have the clock and date at the middle of the way bar instead of the far right. So you can click to toggle between date and your time, and if you hover on it, you will see the calendar. So that's it for this module. Now if you go into the right side, we have the Bluetooth status indicator. So if you click on it, it will open the Bluetooth manager. So I can enable Bluetooth and it will show on, as here you can see. And if it is connected to a device, then it will show the device name. And this is the CPU usage module, and this is the RAM module, and this is the brightness module. So if I can scroll up or down to change the brightness, and this is the Wi-Fi module. So if I click on this module, it will show network manager terminal interface, and I can enable or disable Wi-Fi from here. And next we have the battery module. Here I have updated this icon. And also next we have the volume module. So if I click on it, it will mute the sound, and I can also scroll up and down to change the volume. And the next module is the custom module, which if I click on it, it will show W logout to perform the specific actions such as shutting down or restarting the computer. So that's it for the top bar. Now the keyboard shortcuts are same as previous. So we have Windows key plus W to open web browser, super key plus E to open the file manager, which is the Thunar file manager. And also if you have multiple applications open, you can press Windows plus F to toggle maximize. And to put this application in the next workspace, you can press Windows Shift and left or right arrow key to change the desktop. And you can press Ctrl plus Windows key to switch desktops, and press Windows or Windows plus Q to close the application. So that's it for basic keyboard shortcuts. So, and the next thing updated is the lock screen. So if press Windows plus L, it will lock the screen. And the thing new here is that the background is now a blur, and we have the user profile and username, and as you can see, you can also input the password and it will show up in here. So that's it for this update. Now if you want to install this update, then you can go to github/sandeepsky and go to the .files repository, and in this repository go to the Hyprland folder, and I have this file called hyprland.sh. so you can open this file and change your username and also tweak some settings to tailor it according to your liking. And the configuration files are in this folder, which is config. So if you go into this folder and go into Hyper, you can change the configuration and your keyboard shortcuts according to your liking. So that's it for the new setup. I hope you like this setup, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.